Hello, this is Hitansi with the Bayan Group, and we'll be looking at how to create lists in SharePoint from a CSV file. SharePoint now allows users to import from a CSV file to create a list with it. We will be covering the following topics: creating list from CSV and modifying the list. Let's get started. When you have an already existing CSV file that you want to store in SharePoint as a list, you can use this little trick to save time. To create a list, click the plus new button on the left corner of your SharePoint site. From here, click List. A pop-up window will appear to create a list using different methods, for example, from an existing list, from templates, or a blank list. Click From CSV. You can choose a file from your own device or from OneDrive. If you choose OneDrive, there is a drop-down with options of different document libraries within your site that you can choose a file from. For this demo, I will upload a file from my device by clicking on this Upload File button right here. Once you've chosen your file, click Open, and you should see the CSV file in a list view. To modify this list, simply click on the column type and choose the column type from this dropdown. You can also choose not to import any one of the columns by clicking on the dropdown and clicking Do Not Import. After you are done choosing the column types of each column, click Next. From here, you will be prompted to title your list and add a description of it. Once you've named your list, click Create. As you can see, the CSV file was imported as a list into SharePoint. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.